let me just turn on the camera. Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you have an amazing day, an amazing night, or maybe an amazing afternoon. So in today's video, my family are going to go on a vacation except to me because Lily and Abigail have just something important to another country. So you know what, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm going to drive you guys, okay? Sweetie, are you sure you want to drive us to the airport? Yeah, of course, I don't mind. Okay, sweetie, thank you. You're welcome. Come on, guys, let's go. I guess it's time to go in the car. Okay, guys, I put everything in the back. Here you go. I'm going to put my stuff in. Who's next? It's me. I'm going to put my stuff in there. Okay, so put my stuff in there. Get on. Did I say get on? Yeah. Maybe I did. I think she meant good and done at the same time. Get done. Don't make fun of me. It's okay, sweetie. Sometimes mistakes happen. Okay, who's going in next? I'm gonna put my stuff in. Okay, let me put my stuff in. Okay, done. Okay, it's in the car. Can you hold the camera for me? Yeah, of course I could. Let me get inside the car. Okay, I guess it's time for me to go inside. And guys, go in the back. Okay, bye mom and dad. Bye guys. Guys. Bye. Take care. When I come back, I want you to house clean. Okay guys, let's go back home. Woo. Let's go inside the house. Here we go. Now I'm going to go watch a movie. Because let's go on my phone. Here we go. Right here. Pizza. Okay, so I'm going to order maybe a pepperoni pizza. And I'm going to get some ice cream. This, okay, and I can't forget this. Let's order. Oh, this is the pepperoni pizza that I ordered with chicken nuggets and french fries and also our special. Thank you. That'll be $20, please. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Bye. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna put on TV. Oh, love this movie. Okay, it's time to eat. Okay, it's time to eat. That tastes so good. Oh, that was a nice movie. Okay, let's go see the news. A plane has been crashed. And there was 40 people in the plane. Wait a second. Is it that my mom, my dad, my sisters? They were on that plane. Oh no, I think they're dead.